Today is because tomorrow is picture retake day, so we aren't going to have time to do all the notes and the practice tomorrow. So we're starting the notes today, so that tomorrow we'll have time to do practice. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with reflexive property. When we look at that word reflexive, reflexive, what does reflexive look like to you? What other word does it kind of sound like? Sounds like reflex, but what other word does reflexive sound like? Reflection. Good. So that's what I like to think of with this one, reflection. When you look in the mirror and you see the reflection, who's looking back at you? Who looks back at you in your reflection? Yourself. Remember, like Mulan? Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? No? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Mulan? Okay. You should watch it. It's a good movie. Alright, so it's something that's equal to itself. So A, whatever number A represents in algebra, A is always going to be equal to A. It's always equal to itself. No matter what, 7 is always going to be equal to 7. No, it's not equal to 6. No. All right, so next up we have symmetric property. We're just going to go through these properties pretty quick because they should be ones that we're familiar with. We might not have named them before, but we definitely used them before. So what does it mean if something is symmetric? Good, it's same on both sides. So I like to just draw a little butterfly here to remind myself because that's when I learned symmetry was with butterflies. Okay, if a butterfly had a dot over here, it had a dot over here. If it had a circle over here, it has a circle over here. It matches. Whoops, but that wasn't very matching. Miss Morale. Okay, it matches right down the middle. So in this one, we're going to switch sides around the equal sign. If I know that I have the same amount of cookies as Austin, does Austin have the same amount of cookies as me? Yeah. If I have the same number of cookies as Austin, does Austin have the same number of cookies as me? Yeah, it's both ways. So if x plus 3 equals 7, we can then switch it. Did you write this one? This was the one you were looking for. You can switch it so it says 7 equals x plus 3. We're not changing the order of the thing itself. We're just switching it around the equal sign. So this is where I'm going to use one of my colors. If you want to grab colors, you can. I'm just saying yellow equals orange, which means I can flip it and say orange equals yellow. All right, the next one is one that we use a lot. Like it weirdly comes up really often. Most times